Hello my dear students, welcome to Chemistry Nerds. The question now appearing on your screen is exercise question 4.2. Question is, for the reaction 2A plus B gives A to B, the rate equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B square, with K equal to 2.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 mole to the power minus 2 liters square second inverse. Calculate the initial rate of reaction when concentration of A is 0.1 mole per liter and concentration of B is 0.2 mole per liter. Calculate the rate of reaction after A is reduced to 0.06 mole per liter. तो हमें एक रिएक्शन गिवन है, यहाँ पे रेट कांस्टेंट गिवन है और concentrations at various stages, or we have to calculate the rate of reaction. So let's start solving this. Solution to exercise question 4.2. Given reaction A plus B gives A to B, then K is equal to 2.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 mole to the power minus 2 liters square second inverse. So initial concentrations concentration of A is equal to 0.1 and concentration of B is equal to 0.2. Now initial rate of reaction. Ri equal to K A B square. Now put the values. 2.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 into 0.1 into 0.2 square. From here Ri is equal to 8.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 mole per liter per second. So this will be the initial rate of reaction. Now rate of reaction when concentration of A is reduced to 0.06 moles per liter. So from the reaction, if 0.06 is the concentration of A and 0.1 is the initial concentration of A, that means 0.04 moles have been reacted with B. From the reaction we can see 2 moles react with 1 mole of B. So 0.04 mole of A will react with 0.02 moles of B. From here the concentration of B will come as 0.2 minus 0.02. So this will come as 0.18. Now the rate of reaction. The rate of reaction will be R equal to K A B square. Let's put the values. 2.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 into 0.06 into 0.18 square. On solving this will come as 3.888 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 mole per liter per second, and this can be written as rate equal to 3.89 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 mole per liter per second. So this will be the answer to the question.